401k to Gold IRA Rollover Guide. Convert your IRA to gold. Saving your money should always be your priority as the years pass. Why a Gold IRA rollover can save your retirement account. Why initiate a 401k to Gold IRA rollover? Executing a Gold IRA transfer, complete guide. Step 2 Gold IRA transfer process overview. Why should you make a 401k to Gold IRA rollover? 401k to Gold IRA rollover, commonly asked questions. Is a physical Gold IRA rollover better than a paper gold rollover? Precious metals, like gold and silver, is one of the most popular ways to diversify a portfolio because they are considered an uncorrelated asset, which can protect your money in case any companies, governments, or even currencies fail. The Gold IRA provider you select is responsible for housing your Gold IRA retirement account, including assistance in storing your physical precious metals. Most reputable companies don't allow people to make investments with an amount lower than $5,000, so keep that in mind. In essence, all you need to do is set up a self-directed IRA account with a trustee. Keep in mind that if you take more than 60 days to complete the 401k to gold rollover, you may be liable for transfer taxes. Still, if you can't find a company that suits your needs, going for Augusta Precious Metals or Goldco may be an excellent choice since these companies have decades of experience in the gold industry, so you can rest assured your money is always going to be safe.